Have you been doing planks like this with your hips dropped? Or with an anterior pelvic tilt and retracted shoulders? Or doing push-ups like this? Or this? Or this?
Oh God, please tell me I'm not the only one.
Let's quickly fix that pelvic region by anteriorly tilting your pelvis and posteriorly tilting your pelvis. Do it a couple of times, get the feel of it, and keep it posteriorly tilted. Then get into protraction. Do the same in plank position as well. Protraction and fix that pelvis by posteriorly tilting your pelvis. And know how it feels to actually brace your core. Focus on bracing your core even when you do push-ups. Whether it's regular push-ups or kneeling push-ups like these. In this drill, you slowly focus on going down, drop your whole body, release your hands, and then tilt your pelvis posteriorly, then push off from the ground. By doing this drill again and again, you'll get the hang of it, and you'll also know how to keep your core braced by posteriorly tilting your pelvis and keeping those shoulders protracted and actually doing the push-ups the right way.